Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 77, Mensurations, section A, easy. Let's start. The radii of the bases of two cylinders are in the ratio 1:2 and the heights are in the ratio 2:1. Find the ratio of the volumes. Firstly, what is a cylinder? This is a cylinder. Means any circular box which we have at home or the gas cylinders which we have, that is cylinder. One radius and one height. Okay, this one. So what will be the volume consist? Volume consist this radius and height, and then the formula for that. Now the formula is pi into r square h. Now what is pi? 22 upon 7. That is a constant. Now what is given? R1 upon R2. So 1 upon 2. What is the height given? H1 upon H2 equals to 2:1, right? Given over here. Therefore volume 1 is to volume 2. Is to means upon. It's one and the same thing. So V1 upon V2 equals to pi R1 square H1, right? Upon pi R2 square H2, right? But what is given? So that's why what happens? Pi is a constant. So pi gets cancelled. So what remains? R1 upon R2 the whole square. This can be combined. And H1 upon H2 no square, directly only. Okay. Now what is given? R1 upon R2 is what? 1:2. Okay. Now H1 upon H2 is what? 2:1. So 1 upon 2 the whole square into 2:1, right? So this becomes 1 upon 4 into 2:1. So 2 and the 2 to the 1:2. So V1 upon V2 equals to 1 upon 2. That is volume 1 is to volume 2 equals to 1:2. That is the required answer. Find the ratio of the volumes 1:2. Next, the area of a quadrilateral is 342 square meters. The perpendiculars from two of its opposite vertices to the diagonal are 12 meter and 12 meters. Okay, both are 12 meters. What is the length of the diagonal? This length we want. See here. This is a quadrilateral. We don't know whether it's square or rectangle or whatever it is. That's so one perpendicular from this side and one perpendicular from this side. And what is given? Total area is given 342. Okay, what we want? The length of this diagonal, this other one. Okay, let's do. Area equals to 342. Diagonal equals to d. Okay, let diagonal equals to d. This length is d. So A1 equals to what? This area of this triangle, half into base into height, half into d into base is d and height is 12. Okay, what is A2? Same. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.